Allah allow me to give the 48 hours per day, then maybe I can do the more job. So that is why I should say that time is important. As in your competition, you try to find out your spirit, your efficiency without using the calculator or any digital device. And my father, I don't know why he is allowing me, whenever any competition is going on, class 1, 2, 3, every classes, if I ask him, can I participate in this competition? He just told, go ahead. So please again keep in mind, failure is a success. Your failure will give you identity to understand that once upon a time, organized by the Aloha, you participated in the 4th April or 3rd April, but you failed. That's the spirit you make your life successful.
এখন আমাদের বক্তব্য প্রদান করার জন্য আমি অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি চেয়ারম্যান অফ ড্যাফোডিল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইউনিভার্সিটি অ্যান্ড ড্যাফোডিল গ্রুপ, চেয়ারম্যান অফ অ্যাসোসিয়েশন অফ প্রাইভেট ইউনিভার্সিটিস অফ বাংলাদেশ, চেয়ারম্যান গ্লোবাল এন্টারপ্রেনারশিপ নেটওয়ার্ক বাংলাদেশ অ্যান্ড ফর্মার প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ ঢাকা চেম্বার অফ কমার্স অ্যান্ড ইন্ডাস্ট্রি, অনারেবল ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ সবুর খান স্যারকে। স্যার, প্লিজ কাম অন দ্য স্টেজ অ্যান্ড গিভ শেয়ার সাম ভ্যালুয়েবল ওয়ার্ডস উইথ আওয়ার স্টুডেন্টস। প্লিজ এ বিগ রাউন্ড অফ অ্যাপ্লজ ফর স্যার। স্যার কিন্তু শিক্ষাক্ষেত্রে এবং আইসিটি ক্ষেত্রে অনেক বেশি অবদান রেখেছে, আপনারা সবাই জানেন।
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and very good afternoon to all of the participants. Especially I must congratulate to the parents and of course the distinguished guests, those who are the galaxy of this today's program. And again, as I already observed the video, so again it came to my mind that all of the credit goes to the guardian. Because parents, if you not feel confident, if you are not encourage your kids to participate in these sorts of competition organized by the Aloha, and I am also impressed to see the contribution of the Aloha, and thank you very much Aloha for really doing a great job for our young kids and especially to develop this young star, those who are the future of this nation. And I must believe every day, every moment, every single moment is really a mental arithmetic competition is going on. We know that 24 hours, the God, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, allow us only 24 hours in a day. Who is rich, who is poor, who is very much successful, does not matter. Everyone has the same time frame. Within 24 hours, sometimes I become puzzled. So I talk with my people that if Allah allow me to give the 48 hours per day, then maybe I can do the more job. But I'll not get the more times. So that is why I should say that time is important. As in your competition, you try to find out your spirit, your efficiency without using the calculator or any digital device. That's the beauty of this competition. We know that nowadays, due to cause of technological development, it is very tough to develop the real gist or real merit of our young kids. So I must salute again to Aloha, again the parents, that please keep up this competitive mindset of your kids. Without this competitive mindset, it is the time now to realize they may not reach to the right destination. So that is why I should say, if I am not wrong, in world record, the 2 Indian people, one is gents, one is female, they already achieved the world record, which is faster than the digital device. So I am sure, as there is an example, so these students, these young kids, if they are continuing this competition, I hope that once upon a time they will become very successful. They need to know the critical thinking. They need to the challenging mentality. Because again, I should say with these 24 hours, they need to know that wake up in the early morning. They need to prepare themselves to go to the school in the right time, right manner, right etiquette. And everything they need to follow with this same time frame. If there is a traffic jam, they will face the problem to go to the school. So then there is again called calculation. That I need to start earlier because I need to face some traffic. So that is why I should say that every moment, movement, sleeping, walking, talking, every places we have to face the competition. So I remember just now after seeing the competition, that I'm very lucky because my father is not alive. So I'm really grateful when I'm seeing the picture that my father, I don't know why he is allowing me, whenever any competition is going on, class 1, 2, 3, every classes, if I ask him, can I participate in this competition? He just told, go ahead. When I'm in class 4, I think there is one opportunity for participating in the Russia one scholarship by the Khelagora Usher. I asked my father, well, you are so young. Are you sure? I said, yes, I can. So he allowed me to participate in this competition. When I'm in the class 8, there is the first Scout Jamboree. It's organized by the Bangladesh government, organized by the late President Ziaur Rahman. So I'm in the student of the class 8. I asked my father, I like to join in the Scout Jamboree. He told me, yes, you should go. So then he asked me, is there anyone in your class who will join in this competition? I said, no, all are senior. So how can you will participate? I said, I can do it. Well, okay, go ahead. So that's the spirit, I think I got it from my father. He always encouraged to participate in the competition. And I should remember that in 1978, I am the most youngest participant in the Scout Jamboree. So that is why among the 4,500 participants, as a small student, I was in the front line and led President Ziaur Rahman and came and he just kept his hand in my shoulder and told me, oh, you are so young. How can your father is allow you to participate in this competition? So that is why students and parents, again, I don't like to prolong my speech. Rather, I should love to say you, love to encourage you, and again, love to aloha. Please keep up your spirit and enhance your activities throughout the country because our country needs a lot of these sorts of organization. Because only for the education, only for the certificate will not reach you in the right destination. That is why you need to participate in the competition. Competitive mentality you need to always carry on because without competition, without positive mindset, without challenging mindset, it will be tough for all of us to fight in this artificial intelligence era, digital era, technological era. Every minute, every second is changing. You know, though, whenever we wake up, you will see that your mobile is need to update. Your system is need to update, upgrade. Why? Because the life is more faster. Every second there is a lot of changing is coming. So if we are not participating in the competition, our eye, our vision, our merits, our understanding, everything need to be memorized without feeling any hesitation, any confusion. So that is why, again, congratulations to all of the students. Please keep again your spirit and congratulations those who are going to receive this award. And I hope that this award will be another recognition. And again, those who will not receive the award, please keep in mind, you are also winner. Because if you don't participate, then the people, those who will get the award, they may not get this recognition without your participation. So please, again, keep in mind, failure is a success. Your failure will give you identity to understand that once upon a time, organized by the Aloha, you participated in the 4th April or 3rd April 2026 in BICC, but you failed. That's the spirit you made your life successful or make your life successful. So please, again, keep in mind, parent, don't feel frustrated. Keep your kids encouragement, give them spirit. Don't be frustrated. Your failure is not a failure. Let's try to learn from your failure and move for the success and be winner for the next competition. Thank you very much and wish all of you good luck.
Now I would like to invite Honorable Chairman of Daffodil Group, Dr. Mohammad Sabur Khan স্যারকে স্টেজে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি। And I would like to invite Mr. Low to give this stage to our Honorable Chairman of Daffodil Group, Dr. Mohammad Sabur Khan. স্যারের জন্য একটা জোরে হাততালি হবে। Thank you so much, sir.